Daisy, I miss you so much.
Oh my god! I can't believe I'm seeing you again.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Blah 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 blah. Wait, who's this Daisy?
I'm Daisy's best friend.
What? I'm her best friend.
Hey! No more fighting. I love you both.
Huh?
Let me cook something for you. Okay. Rice. Water. Cooking oil. Egg. Na 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 na. What's going on?
It's Daisy.
Hey, calm down. I will continue cooking with this eel now. Eel. White sesame.
Wow!
So delicious. Yummy.
La 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 la.
Corn is 50% off. Everyone, come and get some.
Oh my, I'll take it all. It's so cheap.
Hey,
Thank you.
Where's my corn? Hello!
Daisy, you are so clumsy.
There's just too much corn. I'll cook so many dishes.
cooking oil. Paprika, salt, pepper, lemon. Then mix it up. Okay, done. Cream sauce, mustard, chili powder, melted butter. Cream. Wow, 2 dishes are ready. Just one more to go. Huh? What happened?
Hey, get out of here! Monster! The power of corn!
It's okay now. Let's keep cooking.
Thank you, Daisy!
Filter. Mayonnaise. Chili powder. Brown sugar. Perfect! It's time to eat! Wow, that looks like pure magic! Absolutely yummy!
I really love it!
Oh no! I just got hit in the face with a tomato! That means you're officially part of the party. Come on! Come on!
Yay!
No mercy in La Tomatina! There are still a lot of tomatoes. Aha! I have an idea. Let's go home and make tomato pie dip.
Tomato! Salt. Onion. Mayonnaise. Cream cheese. Cheese matzo. Onion powder. Worcestershire. Hot sauce. Pepper. Cheater. Coriander.
I need to go buy bread. Yeah, I got it! I want to take this.
Thanks.
Let's go back home. Bread.
Butter. Sugar.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.
Wow, so yummy. I'm hungry.
Huh?
Oh my god, let's cooking with me.
Noodles. Water. Bulldog sauce.
White sesame. golden beet.
Cucumber. Beef. Olive oil. Cheetos. Let's try. Oh, I will go to the supermarket by skateboard. Gochujang sauce. Tteokbokki. Enough already. Time to go home. Daisy, Daisy.
Oh, thanks, my baby. Tteokbokki. Gochujang sauce. Molasses. Salt. Chili powder.
Cheese.
Spring onion. Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it? Wow, that looks insanely good. I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.